strained while 35% of homes listed for sale in Annapolis are priced at a median $1,650,000. It's Friday, July 7th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Currently, there are 99 resale homes in all three zip codes of Annapolis, with 22 that hit the market over the past week. There are 18 homes coming to the market soon, 19 homes went under contract, and 6 went pending. 27 sold in the past week, selling in just 5 days at 100.8% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in Beacon Hill for $2,550,000. There are 21 homes for lease in Annapolis at a median $3,250 per month. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 7th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe, and I'll see you next week.